Vision Care. විශ්වාසනීය දැක්ම.
බලන හැමතැනකම දැන් විෂන් කෙයා එකක්.
The police launched an operation to track down an inspector of police attached to the Police Narcotics Bureau for allegedly aiding drug racketeers along with 15 other PNB officers who were arrested recently. However, today the wanted police officer IP Saman Vasantakumara contacted Assistant Superintendent of Police Meryl Ranjan Lamaheva at the Criminal Investigation Department to turn himself in. He had then boarded a passenger bus from his residence in Kurunagala, where he had been in hiding. However, after getting cold feet and disembarking along the way in Kadawatha, the wanted IP had then broken down weeping on the side of the road, at which time officers of the Kadawatha police station had approached him and he had then identified himself as the IP wanted over links to the drug racket. The police officers then handed him over to ASP Lamaheva of the CID. Following this, the CID had taken steps to detain and question the suspect. Investigations have revealed that a stash of heroin had been smuggled into the country by imprisoned drug dealer Camillus Pillai through drug kingpin Vele Sudha. Officers of the Police Narcotics Bureau had then taken the stash of heroin into their custody before it reached an associate of Camillus Pillai. The stash of heroin had been hidden inside polysacks at two safe houses of the PNB in Balapitiya and Matara. The police suspect that a sack containing the heroin was delivered to another drug racketeer, Rajitha alias Kotteloku, a resident of Baduvita. According to an order placed by Kusguda Tharaka, the stash of heroin had then been unloaded at a house in Mahabage via a drug dealer named Siddiq. Investigations revealed that a significant amount of the stash had been sold, with 15 officers involved in the incident being interrogated under detention. What's more, an inquiry revealed that a former chief of the Negombo prison had exchanged money via a number of bank accounts on 35 occasions. He had used a prison guard to carry out the transactions. When questioned by the CID, the prison guard revealed that the former prison chief had given him 5 to 6 envelopes per day filled with cash, asking him to deposit money to accounts at various banks. According to the prison guard, the envelopes were exchanged at the cafeteria of the Negombo prison. In further developments, the Special Task Force apprehended Krishan Nilangadabare alias Beba with 3 grams and 120 milligrams of heroin in Aturugiriya yesterday. Police identified him as a close associate of underworld gang leader Anguda Lokka. It was also revealed that he is an accused in 2 murders in addition to the main suspect in a shooting at the residence of a secretary of former parliamentarian Sujiva Senasinghe on the 26th of March 2018. He was remanded until the 20th of this month after being produced before the Kaduvela magistrate. Meanwhile, Sarath Ekanayaka alias Maharagama Bubula, identified as a close associate of underworld figure Gagana, was arrested by the police in the Niyandagala area. Investigations are currently underway to determine his links with underworld figure Gagana, who is currently in remand custody.
Lever Ayush Karabu Neti Danta Lepaya Shaktimat Datti Palakata